In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Pensieve to email different addresses by adding new destinations to Pensieve. We want to go to the main menu, then Destinations. Here, we can see the first email address that I added when I set Pensieve up. Now we want to go to the three dots and add destination. I'm going to add my work address. I enter my email and tap Next. Pensieve will send me a verification code. Now I need to go to my email to get the code. The verification code has arrived. I'm going to copy that verification code and return to Pensieve. Pensieve found the verification code in my clipboard and pasted it in. I tap Next, and the verification is complete. Now I have two different destinations that I can use to email myself in Pensieve. Since they look similar to each other, I'm going to give them nicknames to tell them apart. This is my work address, so I'll call it work. And the first one is my personal address, so I'll call it personal. Now I have two destinations and a nickname for each. I can change the active destination by tapping on Active Destination and picking which email address should be the active destination. Whenever you send messages with Pensieve, it's the active destination that the emails will be sent to. So at the moment, in the upper right, I can see that work is my active destination. I tap Send, and that email, Schedule a Meeting, will go to my work address. If I wanted to send a personal note, I can change the active destination, type the message, and then tap Send. You can change your active destination at any time while using Pensieve, and it's only when you tap Send that the email goes to that destination. If I wanted to add additional destinations beyond these two, I could continue to do that in here as well. Happy emailing with Pensieve.